Hello guys, this is a quick demo to show you how you can set parameters from a report and trigger a workflow execution. On my left-hand side, I've set up an easy workflow in which I'm loading some data, it's demo data from a news group, and I'm using this text in a topic modeling block to extract topics and then display in this graphs here in the word cloud which terms belongs to which topics, they characterize these topics. Typically, this workflow execution will run and write data to a database table that is being seen by the same report that I have on my right-hand side. What is a workflow parameter? In Omniscope, you can define essentially a key value, a name, given a value, and this parameter, it can be used anywhere in your block's configuration. In this case, the topic modeling settings, I'm setting the n-grams, that essentially is the list of, actually, as it says here, is the word combination to include and to discover the topics. Now, as you can see on the bottom part, I've exposed this project parameter into the report for the end user. So then, when you are visualizing data, when you are exploring the information, you're able to switch this parameter here and trigger the whole workflow execution. So if I were to click here now, actually I click, you'll see that this parameter, here this option is set to 3 grams, and the workflow execution starts. The data is evaluated by the topic modeling block, written to the database output, and report refresh with new results. I've added some debug at the bottom here to show that this param gets set, the job starts, it runs. When the data execution is over, the report refreshes. So how the report can do this? This one here is a custom view that is using the REST API that now are available. So this workflow API allows you to trigger workflow execution, to retrieve the state of a workflow execution, and in terms of params to get all the values and update those values. Now, the custom view that I have here is something that you can find into the community parts on our GitHub repo. The possibilities are kind of infinite here. So you can imagine at this point, as you're exploring some data, you can give this report to your end user. You can then ask, expose some options, some parameters that are used in the workflow execution. Imagine even if you had your custom Python script, yes, so these parameters can be exposed to the end user, and then you can trigger the workflow execution, see the result of a script, and then iterate through setting different parameters. I decided to expose it as a radio button, but it could be free text, numbers, any sort of data type. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Ciao, ciao.